that is a big pile of dirt.
It is a big pile of dirt.
You dumping it into your dump truck? What are you using? What are you scooping up the dirt with, Zachary?
Front end loader.
Yeah, front end loader.
He needs help.
You're helping him?
Yeah.
You're doing a good job.
That's his site.
Oh, you have a construction site?
That's his site. That's his site outside.
Yes, it is. What are you making, a road?
Yeah.
Is that dirt or is that gravel?
Dirt.
Dirt? Okay.
Yeah, dirt. Articulated.
It's articulated?
Yeah.
Is it full?
Yeah.
Yeah? Now what are you going to do? You're going to drive the dump truck? Oh, you gonna put more in there?
It are full.
It's all full?
Bumpy ride it. Bumpy ride it.
It's a bumpy ride?
Yeah.